that. The following effects are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Overbrook around 7:40 p.m. Pomona Lake around 7:50 p.m. Globe around 7:55 p.m. Pomona around 8:05 p.m. Centropolis around 8:10 p.m. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows.